Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a weeknight cook, guys. It's gonna go pretty quick. I didn't really plan very well for this one, but I wanted to bring you a cook, so this is it. I got 3 New York strips I just picked up locally at our local grocery store, and I think they're gonna be pretty good. We're gonna get them out here on the Weber Kettle, and I got some new seasoning I can't wait to try. So that's the main reason for this cook, so I can show you the seasoning. So guys, let me show you what we're doing. Alright, I've got here, there's 3, I'm thinking they're around 8 to 10 ounce a piece. I really didn't look at the weight on them, but they're pretty decent. Probably about the best I'm going to get over here at this particular store. And not too bad for what they are. They weren't that expensive, so we're going to go with it. I've just got some olive oil here. I'm just going to drizzle just a little bit of oil on each of them. Repeat on the back side of these. Ooh, that's probably enough for all of them right there. Alright, and y'all check this out. I have never used any Heath Rowell's rub in my life. Found this in the store the other day. This is the Heath Rowell's, the garlic butter. I'm pretty excited about this cook just for this. I wanted to use this for a while. If I can get it open. God, that smells so good. My goodness. We're gonna season this up pretty good with it. It's not pouring as well as I thought. Okay. Be like that. Alright guys, I'm gonna flip these over and repeat. Guys, once that charcoal comes up, we'll get her dumped, we'll get these on. It'll be a pretty fast cook for us. I believe we are mostly there. It'll get us through this cook anyway. This up to temp. Alright folks, before I get these steaks over this fire, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in just a few mesquite chunks. Just get a little smoke on these guys. Get these on in here. Short and sweet there, guys. I'm gonna check on these in about 4 minutes. We'll get them flipped. Alright guys, let's get a look at this. Looking good. Oh yeah. We'll check back in just a few minutes. Hello, smoke. Get some temps on these bad boys. I have a feeling we are coming off. We're definitely coming off. That thin one there's a little too much. Definitely got to get these off of here, guys. Guys, when we get inside, get the family fed, we'll come back and cut one of these and get us a taste test. Not too shabby, guys. Hey guys, let's look at this beautiful thing. I'm just gonna come right down the middle just so you can see it. I think I went a little over, and they're not real thick. I don't know if you can see that. Still some good juices in there, but that's a little bit more on the medium side. So that's all right, guys. We come in here and just cut a few pieces, and we're gonna give this a taste. Oh yeah, they're definitely on the medium side. They're pretty thin, but that's okay. Alright guys, that's beautiful. Like I said, they're not real thick. They are New York strips, but I got 3 steaks for 17 bucks. You don't expect them to be real thick, right? So, I mainly wanted to try this Heath Riles seasoning. And I am not disappointed, guys. This is the Heath Riles garlic butter. I've heard everyone and their brother talking about the Heath Riles seasonings. I've never tried it till tonight. The garlic butter is over the top. I'll do another bite. That is delicious. Oh my God. What do you think, Mama? Thumbs up? Very good. Guys, thank you so much. Just kind of a quick cook for a weeknight cook. I've been rushing around doing a lot of different things, a lot of things going on this week, so felt the pressure on this one, but I wanted to get this cooked in for you guys. I tried a new seasoning. I know a lot of you have already tried this one. I have not. It's very tasty, and I'm glad I tried it. We'll be doing some more of the Heath Riles seasonings as we go down the road. So guys, thank you as always. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification. I'll let you know every time I get a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.